What's going on, guys? Dan here, Wi-Fi Astronaut here, and today we're going to be going over some of the top frequently asked questions that I get on Amazon. I got a little sheet here, and we're going to go through it. I got 10 we're going to go through, and let's get straight into it. The first one is selling on Amazon worth it? 100%. It is absolutely worth it. It may seem extremely daunting at first. It's very big. There's a ton of people doing it. There's people telling you it's scams. You got Amazon automation. You got tons of terms to learn, which, by the way, link down below if you want to learn the terms. It can be very, very, very big and scary, but it is 100% worth it if you can put in the work for it. How much does it cost to sell on Amazon? So in terms of cost, in terms of selling products, there are Amazon fees. When you're selling on their platform, it's usually 15%, I believe. I think it ranges on some products, but usually it's 15% of the sale price plus fulfillment fees. And then there is the selling plan, which there's two plans. There's an individual plan and a professional seller account plan. And the individual plan is free, but it's 99 cents per item sold, which is not good, so you don't want to do that. And then the professional plan is just, I think, $40 a month or $39.99 a month. So pretty much if you sell over 40 units a month, it's worth it, which is you're going to be doing that. So it doesn't. You should be getting the professional plan regardless if you think you're going to sell on Amazon. How can I start selling on Amazon? So the first step in this whole thing is you have to open up your Amazon seller account. So you're going to want to go to sell.amazon.com and you're going to open up your seller account and you start listing products. That's how you start selling. That's the first logical step, is you have to open up that seller account. Do I need a business license to sell on Amazon? No. So you can open up and you can start as an individual instead of an entity, and you can simply sell as a sole proprietor. Now, in terms of being able to buy products tax-free, you may need to get a resell license in your state. And it depends on the state. Every state is different. Some states have a resell license. Some states have the business license act as the resell license. It depends on your state, so you got to check with your state. Can I start selling on Amazon with no money? No. You need some form of capital, a few $100 to start, to buy inventory, unless you're using a credit card. But you need some form of money to start. Don't go in if you literally have $0. Get a job, save a couple $1,000s or a few $100, and then start. What are the best products to sell on Amazon? They're all really good. I would say the best products to sell are ones that are in high demand and low competition. Obviously, that's like the goal. Those are obviously hard to find, high demand, low competition, because everyone would be selling it. But I would just say, in general, the best products are ones that are moving very quickly, because in my game, in wholesale, the name of the game is volume. I want to get products in and out as quick as possible, even if I have to take a lower profit than if it was just to stay there for longer. I want them in and out, and I want that money back. How do I win the Amazon buy box? So great way to win the Amazon buy box. There is a certain metric on your Amazon seller account when you become buy box eligible. Now, this has kind of changed in the past year. I don't think it's really there anymore, but I know it used to be, at least for books. But your account has to be buy box eligible, which means you just got to be in good standing. You had to be selling for a certain amount of time, and you got to meet certain criteria that Amazon won't tell you. And you need to be priced competitively. The most important thing is that you're priced competitively, and if you really want to win the buy box, you should be selling things via FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, because then you get the Prime logo. So that's how you win the buy box. Priced competitively, buy box eligible, and FBA. What is the A to Z guarantee program? That is a guarantee program on the customer's behalf that if there's any problems with their order, they will be able to get their money back. This is bad for sellers, because if you do get an A to Z claim and it goes all the way through and the seller gets refunded from Amazon, you get kind of like a strike on your account, which you don't have to deal with, and it's not good. You don't want a lot of A to Z claims. What is my account health rating, and does it matter? Yes, your account health rating matters a lot. It has, your policy violations in it, and it can impact your buy box eligibility if your account health is really, really bad. Your account health rating is extremely important. This is like your blood pressure for the human body. This is extremely important, and it needs to be in check. What is seller fulfilled Prime? So obviously, you guys know FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is Prime shipping from an Amazon warehouse, and you get that little Prime logo. SFP, or Seller Fulfilled Prime, is Prime shipping from your warehouse or your domicile, wherever you are. So you are able to sell products that you're technically merchant fulfilling, and they have the Prime badge, and you're able to get that Amazon 2-day or 1-day shipping, depending where it is. But this is kind of hard to get into, and not every business wants SFP too, because like I said, it is really strict, and you have to be getting products out, like, I think sometimes within hours of the closing day. So it's pretty hard to get, and it's not like it's for your whole account. Sometimes it's only for certain products, but it is a really good thing if you're able to execute it properly. And we'll go over a few more. I know I said 10, but we'll do a few more here. How do I contact the customer about their order? You're going to want to go through. You go to your order, and then there should be like a messaging tab somewhere, or just contact customer. It's pretty easy. How do I know when I make a sale on Amazon? So there's no notification for an FBA sale, and if there is, I guess I have mine turned off. I haven't figured out how to turn it on. I don't want to turn it on, to be honest. But I know for FBM sales, Fulfillment by Merchant, you can set up a notification to where every time you get a sale, after it processes and goes from pending to unfulfilled, you'll get a notification saying that you have an unshipped order, which is your sale. How long does it take to verify your Amazon seller account? I know back when I did it, it was like a week. Now it could take up to a month because they have to send you a letter in the mail. So up to a month. And when you're doing that, make sure you put in all the documents correct the first time. You don't want to mess it up. Is it legal to resell on Amazon? So I believe they mean like reselling like products from a store or other brands. Yes, it is absolutely legal. There is nothing illegal about it. Can I wait for payment before I ship an item? Not sure what this means. I think no. You have to ship the item when it says you have to ship the item. You can't wait for the money to get to your account, your bank account, that is. Should I only sell on Amazon? No, there's other platforms: eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Mercari, your own website. There's a ton of different websites that you can sell on, and you should be selling on. However, I focus only on Amazon. If I was to expand out, I would probably go to Walmart, just because I see a lot of people doing that. But yeah, I only sell on Amazon. If you're just starting, you might as well start on eBay too. But eBay, Amazon, that's probably it. Can I ask Amazon FBA to return my items? I believe you mean getting your items back. Yeah, you can create a request to get those items sent back to you if you labeled them incorrectly, or if something's wrong with them, or you sent them under the wrong SKU or ASIN, you can get them back. No problem. Like I said, guys, before in this video, the Amazon Terms cheat sheet is a free 25-term cheat sheet. It is linked down below. Go download it. But this video is over. Please like, comment, subscribe. See ya.